Welcome to GAAP Advisors channel. This video discusses an example of non-compliance with Ind AS 24. Ind AS 24 deals with related party disclosures. After watching the videos on GAAP Advisors channel, download the financial statements of the listed company of which you are an investor, auditor, lender or employee and see whether the company has reported similar to that being discussed in these videos. If found, make the company aware of the issues in their financial statements, enabling the company to excel in financial reporting in India. Suppose you find a similar reporting in another financial statements but feel the need to discuss on the same. In such cases, you may like to have one-on-one consultation on your findings. A link to book one-on-one consultation is given in the description box. You may contribute your desired amount for the knowledge obtained by scanning the QR code given in the slides. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on gapadvisors.com. A listed company has disclosed the name of relatives of individuals having control or significant influence over the company and relatives of key management personnel. Para 9 of Ind AS 24 defines various terms used in this standard. Para 9 defines the term close members of the family of a person as follows. Close members of the family of a person are those family members who may be expected to influence or be influenced by that person in their dealings with the entity, including A. That person's children, spouse or domestic partner, brother, sister, father and mother. B. Children of that person's spouse or domestic partner. And C. Dependents of that person or that person's spouse or domestic partner. Thus, Ind AS 24 does not define relatives of a person. A relative of a person may or may not be close member of the family of a person. The financial statements are to be prepared based on the terms used and defined in Ind AS. Therefore, the disclosure of names of relatives of a person is not in accordance with Ind AS 24. Due to this error, notes have been impacted. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope this video was useful and you have contributed your desired amount by scanning the QR code for the knowledge obtained. If not, please do it now. You can also contribute by sharing this video to maximum people, spreading the knowledge and awareness of financial reporting standards in India. If you would like to get financial statements reviewed by GAAP advisors, you may mail them to info@gapadvisors.com. You can also submit your issues on Ind AS on gapadvisors.com.